I don't know why I'm not live. Probably now I'm live. Oh, I was thinking I was live earlier, but now here I am. Just try to put your message, man. Try to put your message in the chat box, and I'll try to help you out in getting your first job. I'm here to help you guys out. I'm a software architect working in a company, software company, and this is my goal to get you a job. If you don't have any job, I'm planning to create these free sessions which will give you all the experience that I have, right? It will also give you the tips and tricks that we use sometimes in getting different kind of jobs, because tech software field is a very vast field. We use thousands and thousands of technology on daily basis, and learning all those technologies is not really feasible and possible. So you will have to learn some basic technologies over the period of your preparation, whenever you are planning to do your preparation, and then you can pursue, you can go for your interview. There are so many tricks that you can use in your real interviews also, but this is my aim. This is my aim to get those many jobs, to generate those many jobs directly or indirectly. That's what I'm planning to do. Just put your message in the chat and we can start the conversation one to one. I'll put you on the some kind of conversation software. Maybe I think nowadays we don't use Skype is gone. Skype is dead. So we will be using some other software to communicate, and I can put that on the stream also, so that others can see and learn what all things happen in behind the scene in the software company. तो जिसे भी नीड हो यार आओ, let's talk, let's get you a job as soon as possible, right? I'll try to consult you guys for free. Just put your message in the chat, man. Just put your message in the chat. I'll try to help you out in getting your job, whether it is the first job or second job, uh, or you have lost your job for some reason. So we'll try to create that opportunity for you again. We'll prepare you. We are trying to create a batch absolutely for free, where we can convey all the, or we can transfer all the knowledge that we have, and we can prepare. We have experience in training the people. We have experience in placing the candidates in different companies like Amazon, Apple also. I think 3 or 4 guys are also working in Apple. They are fortunate that they got that kind of start. So they were freshers. We were training them uh, for US, and they already, some of them are already the resident, US resident, and many were on the visas. We were training them. We were training them very hard, um, and we were putting them in the right direction. What really happens in the software industry, we were trying to convey all our knowledge, projects, everything to them, so that they can easily come to the speed, and they can get real time experience what happens in a software company. Am I audible? I think so. I should be audible. Okay. If you're seeing this stream later on, just try to put your message in the chat. Here to help start the let me know what help you need. Okay, I'll be doing these streams consistently for 30 minutes on daily basis, no matter somebody join or doesn't join. I'll be here. Just try to put your message in the chat whenever you join, whenever you see this video and you need a job. I can get you a job for sure. I can help you prepare for those jobs. Those are available easily in the market, right? Market is shifting towards the AI trend, that is for sure. That is my life's mission, to generate those many jobs directly or indirectly. Doesn't matter how much time it will take, but I'll be consistent, and consistently I'll try to generate those many jobs, trying to help people from different background, a different situation, different preparation, right? They might have a totally different preparation, different backgrounds. So I'll try to see how can I be most useful in every scenario. I just started this channel for that person because I have been waiting from a long time to fulfill my dreams, to fulfill my what I really want to you know uh, do. And it's enough. Enough is enough. I've waited a long time. Now I'm not going to wait or procrastinate anymore. जिसे भी जॉब चाहिए भाई जल्दी से आ जाओ. Let's start the conversation. I'm here to help. I'll also try to create videos, uh, but more importantly I am trying to set up a batch from 15th of next month, and that will be absolutely free. That will be for no charge at all. No money will be asked ever, nothing, and everything will be similar. All the batches will get absolutely same knowledge. I'm waiting for someone to join this stream. I don't know when Google will or YouTube will start recommending it. For now, I don't see any viewer. Please start some conversation. I'm really here to help. I can give you a lot of insight. That is my mission. Again and again I am repeating, that is my mission, to generate 10 lakh jobs, no matter what. Over the period of time I am going to generate those many jobs in India. directly or indirectly. I'll help people, I'll create different knowledge transfer groups, and then we will train them to get what they really deserve. I don't see any viewer. If you are there, if you're watching, just put your message in the chat. I'll try to help. I know my background is not really fancy. I am just an architect, software architect. All the time I'm dealing with code and uh, different kind of issues. So I don't get much time to really invest in setting up my environment, fancy environment. But probably I'll later on, definitely I'll have to set up going forward. But instantly, absolutely not. Slowly and slowly, I'll try to improve the lighting, the background. I don't know how, and the look and feel of my stream. Also, everything about it. Also, I think when I do these stream for longer period of time, um, I'll also improve myself in doing these kind of conversation. I'm not really trained. I'm more trained towards dealing with code, bugs, uh, um, conveying technical knowledge. So I'm more towards that. But whatever challenge I get in my life, I put my best effort. That is for sure. So if you're watching this, just put your message in the chat so that we can start a healthy conversation and you can get your first job, right? It's already 12 minutes, 18 more minutes remaining. I'll be doing this stream for 30 minutes daily, non-stop, daily, no matter what. If I'm alive, this stream will go for 30 minutes every day. And if I am available here, if I am not in some emergency, then things might change. But as long as I am available and alive, I'll do these streams for sure. My motto, my aim, my focus is going to be getting those jobs for you guys. AI is booming, definitely it is booming, but it is not that matured. It is getting maturer day by day. We are having many models coming. Still, India is not really able to launch any of its model. But I think we already had that kind of background. I don't know why we missed this kind of opportunity. Maybe everybody is, you know, busy doing software services kind of job, and they are not really very innovative. They are not really very uh, market AI focused, AI centric. They are just consumer. I feel India is more uh, consumer based. Cream is already gone. It's already there in the US working for different companies, which is not a bad thing. But for a country where uh, you try to produce those many jobs, it's not that easy to produce those many jobs. So if you're watching this, just put your message in the chat. I'll try to help. Okay, I don't see anybody watching. I don't know. Maybe I'm just. I have to improve a lot of things in this stream to be reachable. But I'll be patient and I'll be consistent with my streams. If I check, let me check the analytics of this stream. I don't see anybody watching. Which is fine for now. I know not a lot of people do this kind of stream, so I can expect some delay response from people. They don't expect this kind of uh, help from some experienced guy. I know a lot of YouTubers are trying to put some very basic you know some very basic kind of tutorials out there, which is helpful in learning the basics, but it is not really helpful, entirely helpful or directly helpful in doing the real job. So when you do the real job, it's entirely totally different. It is just exactly the same what you learn in your college, and then suddenly you get a totally different kind of experience um, in any technology company. So environment will be totally different, experience will be totally different, how they perceive the technology will be totally different, how you code in a software company will be totally different. You'll have to code totally differently from what you generally code in a normal project, normal day-to-day project. So professional projects are little different. You will have to lay down a solid uh, structure. First of all, architecture, I would say, then only you can build on top of that. You will be building all the different layers for you know different purposes, like security. For security purposes, you will be writing some flexible code, and your code should be reusable, flexible. It's not that easy to lay down that kind of architecture in place, and that is why it is not that straightforward skill. You have to learn a lot of things in order to lay down that strong architecture in place. Okay, 13 more minutes I have to talk probably. hmm. I'm here. Just put your message in the chat. I'm here to help to get your first job. I'll be doing this stream for as long as I don't see those many jobs created directly or indirectly through me. I know this cannot be a fancy stream, right? This cannot be any entertaining stream. I understand that people will be less interested in it. But if you're seeking any job, if you're preparing for your job, if you need a job later on in your life, then you should really focus towards these kind of content. I'm i'm not anymore want to you know I'm not waiting anymore for helping you guys, for doing what I always wanted to do. I'm here. I'm trying to convey all the knowledge, everything that I got over the period of time, everything, whatever I accumulated over the period of time. If you're here watching this stream later on, I don't care when you watch it. If you're watching it, you need a job, and if you need a job, then just try to put a message, try to convey it to me. I'll try to consult you for free, absolutely free, train you absolutely free. uh, we are trying to we as a group, we are trying to create a batch absolutely for free for deserving candidate, so that they can get their dream job for absolutely free. 10 lakh jobs, those are waiting for you. I'll not stop, we'll not stop until we create those many jobs. So if you're watching this stream later on, just try to put your message, man. Let's have a conversation, where you are, what you're doing, what technology you want to learn or have learned over the period of time, how much experience you have, how much exposure you have. I want to know all of those things so that I can help you in the best way possible. I'm here to help you out. I'll probably try to put a better setup going forward so that I can be fancy also over the stream. I know that is also a skill, especially nowadays where this field is very competitive. YouTube is increasing the competition overnight. I mean, somebody can really come tomorrow with a greater experience for viewers, right? That is why this stream, this field is very dynamic in nature. You will have to change a lot over the period of a very small uh, time. You cannot just keep doing the same thing and entertain or engage people over the same content. You will have to produce, I think, different content with respect to what is really needed. And what I can think of is people need job. I am going to create those many jobs no matter what. No matter if my uh, stream is fancy or not, those many jobs are going to come directly or indirectly. 10 lakh jobs. I know it will take a lot of time, but I'm here. I'll create as many batches as I can. I'll try to put as many resources as I can, right? And parallelly, we'll try to train people. We have to create AI all around because AI is going to boom every single field. AI is going to transform every single field. We can utilize AI in almost every field, right? That is why it's a totally different game nowadays. And we have a solid base. We can really create those uh, expertise in our country also. We're not very far behind. So if you're watching this, put your message in the chat. I'm here doing this stream for as long as it takes for those many jobs. I'm going to make that my dream come true for all of you guys, which is going to help all of you guys. And eventually I'll also improve over the period of time. That is also my hidden agenda. I also want to improve myself. I can be a good communicator. I want to convey whatever I think. So I'm good with machines, I'm good with technology, I'm good with technical sessions, but I might not be good with general communication, general these kind of conversation, especially the skill that we need in doing these streams, videos. So that is my agenda. I disclose it, but if you need a job, for sure I'm going to get it for you. If you can deserve for it, I can get it for you. That is for sure. I do not, and I cannot make any false promise that you will not do anything. Without doing, you will get the job. Absolutely not. You will have to work as harder as you can be, right? You will have to work harder, a lot harder. So otherwise, forget about job. This field is very dynamic. It's dynamic. We use tons of technology on daily basis. Many different technology stacks in a single project. And if you're not really good with your learning, if you're not really curious, if you're not really excited about the technology, you're not going to persist in this field. We're not going to stay longer for the in this field for sure. That's for sure. So what are you waiting for? Just put that message. We can start that one-to-one conversation. I'm still waiting for my first conversation with some real guys. I've been talking to um, I've been talking to this mic only and listening to my own voice. That is not really very good experience, but I don't know. In starting, probably it will take some time, but I know it will happen. I know for sure. I'm not going to leave it uh, without creating those many jobs. That's my dream. That's that's going to come because there is a genuine feeling around that. There is genuine, um, you know, kind of motive, you can say, right? So my motive is really very genuine. That's why I believe it will happen. I will have many uh, conversation happening going forward. I know these streams are little. It happens. I think it happens with everybody in the starting that you don't get those many people in your stream, in your videos, and still you have to be persistent. That's what I am trying to do. And I am here again for another 3.5 minutes. I'll be doing this stream for 30 minutes consistently, no matter what. Okay, and I'll try to improve the quality of my stream going forward. Every day around 5:30, I'll have to change the time of my stream. Around 5:30, I'll be here on daily basis for 30 minutes. If somebody need me for longer, they then probably I'll adjust my other work because I have so much other work also to be completed. I'm a software architect working for a software company, and consistently I have some other work. I have to keep my other eye on that work, and if I get some urgent work, I'll have to cut this short also sometimes. I'll try not to do that, but sometimes I'll have to because that work is actually it's a priority work. If I get it, then I'll have to do it. I cannot uh, uh, I cannot create any delay from my side, and I don't want to create any delay because I am getting paid in that company for sure, right? So I have to uh, do the justice with my work all the time. And if you do the justice with your work, then you will, believe me, you will not have uh, any situation where you will not have any job. You will always have that, all the opportunity available to you. You will probably, and companies need these kind of guys. They need these kind of employees all the time. Dedicated employee who can be self motivated. They don't need any motivation, outside motivation from some manager or from some tech lead or from some managerial person, right? They should be able to do their work on regular basis with self motivation. Anyways, I think nobody joined today also. I have been doing this stream from last 4 5 days now, but I think I'll have to improve my um, background and quality of stream. Currently I think there are some problem. I cannot really change my face. I am what I am, but my intentions are really pure. I really want to create those many jobs for you guys. And if you're jobless, just try to put your message in the chat. And I'll see you tomorrow. And about to jump to some other work. It's already 30 minutes. So see you tomorrow, guys. Take care.